Okay, it's review time again of some more HiLetGo products. I ordered these yesterday, 3 of them, and hopefully all 3 have arrived today. It's less than 24 hours later. So that's one good thing about Amazon Prime, I guess. The speed of shipping. Anyway, sorry for the shaky cam or whatever. I've still not sorted out a tripod. But we'll get this box opened. Less efficiently if I use both hands, of course, but we should be alright. Or not. Anyway, let's all see. That'll do. Right. So what do we have? Okay, item number 1. There we are. This is an STM32F4. Now I've been used to the F103C86, the small Arduino Nano looking things. This is a lot bigger, prototype kind of a board, more like the Uno's in a way, but a lot more powerful. And I'll come back to that shortly. Next in here, oh here we go. Now this, I thought I could do several videos on, maybe at least use the things in the future. This is a 37-in-1 kit of sensors for Arduinos, and I think there's some kind of amazing price. I shall post it in the description box at least, but it's going to be a lot of fun mucking around with these things. Lots of sensors, different types, microphones and pots and LEDs and all sorts of things. That's great. Nice box too that it comes in. And number 3. Oh yeah, these sensors, the HC05s, the proximity things. And one idea I had, or well, to make as a project, was something I saw in an Instructable, where you can take these individual little things and place them one above each other and use them as those ultrasound devices. You can put a drop of water in the middle and it'll sit there. Also, perhaps used for an anti-mosquito device, which will be very useful in the coming months. So that's the 3 items. So I'll show what you get in each thing, and then I'll put something together at the end to demonstrate something. Okay, so here's the STM32. Lots of these DuPont wires. There's a USB cable, which is the mini type. Here's the board itself. I don't really know what these can do yet, so I'm a little bit in the dark yet, but I can see there's a battery there. Looks like an SD card reader. Got the USB connection there. A couple of switches over here. Right, everything's in order anyway. It's a very nice looking little board there. These are the HCSR04. I just read the thing, not the 05s. I think they're pretty much the same kind of a thing. There's 5 of these you get when you order them, all kindly supplied today by HiLetGo. And these are for range, checking the range of things. If I put something together whereby I've got an Arduino running on a screen, say, I could find out how far away that box is, or the lamp, or the wall, or you know, that kind of a thing. And also useful for other projects like the ultrasound levitation and hopefully the mosquito thing. And then over here we've got the 37-in-1 sensors. The sensors are shown there. Heck of a variety, and as I say, this box is really pretty neat, similar to the heat shrink that I got quite recently as well. So, well, here they all are. Tilt switch, heartbeat, 7 colour flasher, laser, shock. It is a bit of a shock. It was great, aren't they? So yeah, and here are the various modules themselves. Right, I'll build something now. Right, I've put together a small demo, and I did want to use the STM32F4, but I couldn't get my IDE set up correctly, the Arduino IDE, and I've spent some more time, well, changing that around, having a look at forum posts and things to get it set up properly, so I've just got it running by Arduino Nano at the moment. But I've used one of these HCSR04 modules and the tricolour LED from this big box of bits here. So we're just going to be measuring distance, range. I found out that these units can run up to about 10 feet. They can measure really well. So if I put my hand in the way at a fair old distance, well, we've got blue there, and then it starts to flash faster and faster. If there's nothing there, there's no reading. But if I put something, say like this box then, further away, we're actually looking at red, green and blue. So that's at green distance, quite a ways away. If I move even further away, hang on a second, it should turn to red. No, we go to nothing, bring it nearer, we go to red, bring it nearer, we go to green, next should be blue, and there we are. In fact, there's blue, perfect, and then bring it even nearer and it'll begin to flash. And it gets steadily faster as you bring it nearer. The quick summary. First of all, we have the High Let Go 5 pieces of HCSR04 ultrasonic sensors. They have an easy 4-pin connection on them, so you can just drop into the breadboard, and plenty of libraries and such to get those things going. They're $8.49 with free shipping from Amazon Prime. Next along, we've got the STM32 F407 VET6, which I've had trouble getting to work, and I'm using Linux. I'm using Xubuntu 18.04, and if anybody knows what I should be doing, then that would be really helpful. But it would be, I mean, if I gave it a bad review, it'd be a bit like not being able to find drive in a car when you've bought it. So the thing, you know, it's fine. It comes up as detected, you know, the serial number, etc. It comes up as an F4. It's just that the rest of it I can't get to go yet, and it's just my fault. And also we have the 37 sensors assortment kit, which I really like. They suit the Raspberry Pi, Orange Pi or Arduinos. Breadboard friendly again. I've just noticed something. They didn't seem to break off, these two here. It's a tilt switch with an LED on it. And I've got 2 of them. So I got one for free by looking at that. $18.99 for all those. Free shipping again with Amazon Prime. And that was to Oklahoma in the USA, which my voice, I guess, doesn't suggest. But there we are, that's those 3 items. Thanks very much to High Let Go again, and I hope this helps you guys if you're thinking to buy some project parts. Okay, thanks very much for watching.